한국 나빠는 왜 그렇지?
Time, let's go.
네. 한승아 알아요, 라미타.
Hands up. Move, hey, move your head. Move your head side to side. There you go. Jab, jab. Throw his chest. Don't throw his head. He will hit his head. Throw his chest. Jab. There you go. There you go. Put them together. 1, 2. Hands up.
저는 사실 왜 갔나?
Come on. Nice, Jeff. Jeff, on the leg. Now look at that. Work that body, Jose. Body's good. Time.
Okay, I've heard all y'all comments, so I don't need to. I know you didn't, but I know Emma's over and I'm saying it. Just because they say it's stupid, you don't say it. You know that's bad. You know it's bad to talk. So like, don't say that. Like, don't talk to me. Okay? Don't do nothing that's gonna get you in trouble. I'm not their mama.
There you go. Just like that. Hands up. Hands up. Keep your hands up. All right. All right. There you go. Come on. Hands up. 1, 2. There you go. Keep your hands up. Good try. Believe in your punch. Believe in your punch. Don't turn your back. Let's go. Believe in your punch. Hands up. All right.
Okay, that's enough.
Keep your hands up. Let him know you drop his hands. Good shot. Alright. Get their body over there. I want it. Alright. 10 seconds. Come on. Come on. Nice. 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 Nice.
Making it look easy at the gym. Tell everyone it's Hip Hop Workout Radio.
Last knock ng motor sa. Oh, tayo dito pala yan. Tayo na ko sa inyo. Ito dito may mga mazule sa tama.
Hands up.
Good work.
You should be way faster than me.